Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can open Gcash account in Saudi Arabia. So here are the requirements to open a Gcash overseas account. You must be 18 years old or older and also a Filipino citizen, and make sure you have a valid Philippine government issued ID such as passport, driver's license, or UMID. Also, the residence in the country where Gcash overseas is available, including Saudi Arabia. So make sure you have a valid international mobile number capable of receiving OTPs. So the step-by-step registration process is you have to download the Gcash application from the App Store or Play Store, and then just open the the application, and select your country of residence. After that, you just have to enter your international mobile number and tap Next. After that, you have to input the 6-digit OTP sent to your number. And then after that, just fill in your personal details, then tap Continue. First, you just have to set your 4-digit MPIN and submit. And make sure to review the information and tap Confirm. So you will see a prompt preparing for full verification and receive an SMS once the application has been processed. So things you have to know is once fully verified, your Gcash overseas account in Saudi Arabia allows you to send money to Gcash users in the Philippines, transfer funds to Philippines via InstaPay, buy load credits, pay bills, and you can also cash in using Payoneer or International Remittance Partner. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!